So when buyers exactly create this type of weak candlestick exactly at the resistance level, so that time sellers will again enter in the market from the resistance level, because this is the sellers area. At the sellers area, buyers are weak. That's why.
Can you explain the buyer and seller's area?
Yes, buyers and sellers area. So see here. After this bearish candlestick, buyers entering for the first time. Okay. So now, suppose market is moving here, and this is a support. Am I right?
Yes.
So who entered from here after this bearish candlestick? Buyers enter. Okay.
Okay.
So buyers turning the market to the upward direction. Okay. So now this area, this is the area here. This line is a buyer's line. That means buyer's area. When again sellers came here,
the area of top of sellers.
Exactly close at the buyer's area. Okay.
Okay.
More possibility that from the buyer's area, buyers may enter in the market. More possibility. If
okay.
Ranging area is, if market is ranging, so that time buyers, sellers, this type of situation, more possibility there. This is a buyer's area. That's why buyers may enter in the market from this area. Okay. So now see this area. Seller center from here. Second, after this candle, seller center. So if I draw a level, so now this line is a seller's line, seller's area. Why? Because seller center from here. Okay.
Okay.
If we see market again go up, and exactly close here. So buyers exactly close at the seller's area. That's why sellers may enter in the market. More possibility that sellers may again enter in the market like this. So now this is the buyer's area, this line, and this area is a seller's area, this line. Okay. So this is horizontal buyer's area. This is horizontal seller's area. So now same thing happened here. See, when market came here, market falling down. So again market came here, seller center. So that means this area is a seller's area. If I draw a level like this area is a seller's area. So for the third time, when market again came back to this seller's area, how we know this is seller's area? Because from this trend line, seller center. That's why this is a seller's area. So when market again came here, sellers may enter in the market from this seller's area. And same thing here also. This one, buyer center, again buyer center. That means it's a buyer's area. So when market again came back to this area, sellers entered in the buyer's area, so buyers may enter in the market. Okay, clear? Okay.